Don't panic. There's still plenty of time to make the ones you love feel extra special this Valentine's Day. Hello and welcome. My name is Shannon from thedailydiyWire.com, and I am so excited to have you here today because I have some great ideas that I can't wait to share with you, so let's dive right in. This idea is so great for the coffee lovers in your life. We're going to combine a Dollar Tree coffee mug with some beautiful fresh flowers to make a gorgeous arrangement. It is so easy to do too. Let me show you how. Now you can use fresh flowers or faux flowers, totally up to you. I'm going to go ahead and use some fresh ones. And since I'm doing that, I'm going to use some wet styrofoam, which is made for live flowers. And all you have to do is soak it in some water. Like maximum 2 minutes is pretty good for a small size like this. Just make sure not to soak it for too long because it will start to fall apart. We're going to take it out of the water after about 2 minutes and just press it down into this coffee mug. Now, this fresh bunch of flowers from the grocery store was only $5, and they're all kind of mushed together, so it's a little bit misleading. It kind of looks like there's not a lot of flowers there, but once you take them apart and start cutting them apart, you actually have a lot more flowers than you think. So that's why this DIY is so great, because it's going to take something inexpensive that looks a little ragged, and we're going to turn it into something super fabulous. So we're going to take these little flower heads that we've cut off the stems and start inserting it into the styrofoam. And what you're trying to do here is kind of make a dome shape so it has a nice ball effect on the top. We're going to add a little pizzazz with these sparkle glitter hearts from Dollar Tree. They're a little bit long, but that's not a big deal. Just take a pair of scissors and trim off the stem so it's not quite so long, and then take that and poke that right down in the center of your arrangement. And look how incredibly cute this is. I think it is so adorable, and it is so simple and easy to do and costs under $10 to make. One of the most given gifts for Valentine's Day are cards, and what makes them even more special is making handmade cards with love. And this small but mighty machine is going to help us do that today. I am so excited to share with all my crafty friends this amazing machine, the Lean PixCut S1. This is the world's first smart printing and cutting all-in-one machine for home use. You heard that right. You can make your own stickers with just one machine. You literally print, cut, stick, and unleash your creativity. So let's make a personalized Valentine's Day card. I designed this in the Lean app. Hit the Make It button, then it sends a design to the machine through a wireless Bluetooth connection, and the machine does the rest. It prints, cuts, and spits out the sheet for us to use in only about 2 minutes. And just that quick, we've made our own high quality and durable stickers. These stickers have an easy peel, adhesive backed photo paper that leaves no adhesive residue and can be reapplied. The Lean PixCut S1 offers precision cutting on complex and simple designs, which helps to reduce waste and improve efficiency. You'll appreciate the AI image recognition and cutting that will make every cut accurate and correct. And sky's the limit when it comes to the designs in the app. You can upload photos and designs of your own or use the library of designs in the app. This awesome app also has built-in multiple creative tools, including AI image recognition, puzzle printing, setting filters, borders, graphics, and text elements to meet various creative needs. I also love that the designs are saved in the app too for easy access and reuse. And look how cute this Valentine's Day card and envelope turned out. You can also use this for scrapbooking, organization, it prints passport photos, and it even makes phone case stickers too. You can make your dreams into reality just like I have today using the Lean PixCut S1. I will have the link to this machine along with the promotion down in the description box below. I definitely think if you are a crafter, you are going to love this machine. It couldn't be easier. I have had so much fun with it, and I know you will too. So make sure to click that link down below. Head on over and check it out for yourself. Next up, let's make a cute Valentine's Day gift idea using a drink carrier. I'm pretty sure I shared this video over on my Instagram last year, but I don't think I shared it here on YouTube. So I'm gonna make sure my YouTube friends see this too. It is so easy to do. We're gonna turn a drink carrier into a cute little basket for a Valentine's Day gift. You can find these on Amazon and I will link them down below for you. But even if you just stop by, you know, a fast food restaurant, sometimes they give you drink carriers like this too. Just hang on to them. So they pop open. I like this one because it's got two little spaces in here. Perfect for adding a special drink. So stop by the coffee shop this morning, grabbed a coffee, can be for your special loved one. You can even make a drink and put it in here or go through the drive-thru and get a Coke. You know, something that just says that you took some time and thought about them. So we're gonna put a drink on one side of the drink carrier and the other side, we're gonna put a vase of flowers. So this is actually really, really pretty. It is a ribbed glass cup from Dollar Tree of all places. Really, really pretty, but only $1.25. So it looks fancy, but it's not really. It doesn't break the bank. We're gonna put this on the other side of the drink carrier and add some flowers. So for those that love sweets, I am one of them. I just don't know why, but love candy and sweets and chocolate and Reese's and Kit Kats and Hershey's. So I grabbed a big bag of these at the grocery store. I'm using a really cute paper plate. It looks like a piece of candy too. I'll link those down below for you, along with all the other supplies that I'm using in today's video to make it easier for you to find if you want to recreate any of these. You can use any kind of paper plate though too. A Valentine's Day one would be extra cute and would work too, and you can find those at Dollar Tree as well. So I just grabbed also some cello from the Dollar Tree, clear plastic, basically wrapping paper. I folded that around the paper plate and grabbed the ends, kind of smushed them together, and we're gonna use some rickrack here. You can use any kind of string to just tie up the ends there and make it look like a piece of candy. So you can do this even with regular paper plates. It's still going to give you the same effect, even if you don't use these cute pink and white candy plates. Let me know down in the comments below, do you enjoy getting chocolate, flowers, or balloons for Valentine's Day more? Let me know. If I had to pick one of those three, I would probably pick flowers. Absolutely love nice, beautiful flowers, especially this time of year where it is winter and dreary. This just kind of livens things up a little bit. But I want to show you how to take an inexpensive bouquet of flowers like this one. This was only $7 at the grocery store. We're going to take it up a notch, make it look extra special, so you can give these away for Valentine's Day to the ones you love. So I grabbed some of this craft paper roll packing paper from Dollar Tree and grabbed out some of the tissue paper that I already had on hand. We're going to combine the two and make a really beautiful bouquet of flowers. So something that is going to look more put together. And I am a huge fan of flower trucks. We actually had one at our wedding and it was so beautiful for photos. All the bridesmaids made their own bouquets. They made my bouquet right in front of me, and we had it in the background of our ceremony for our outdoor ceremony. So I'm just a sucker for beautiful flower trucks, and this is what that reminded me of. So if you take that brown paper, fold it into a triangle, kind of wrap it around your flowers with that tissue paper and gather it around at the bottom, it just makes it look like something way better than just a regular bouquet of flowers. I don't know why, but it is simple little touches like this that make things from normal and everyday to extra special. And then you just want to wrap the bottom with some twine or some ribbon, tie it into a bow so everything kind of stays together nicely for you. You can tuck a card down in here. You can add a sticker. You can write a little note on there if you wanted to. One extra little thing I'm going to add are these glitter picks from Dollar Tree that I had some left over from. We're going to tuck those down into the bouquet, and it turns it from every day into one for Valentine's Day. I love a good gift basket for Valentine's Day, so we're going to grab a plastic bowl from the Dollar Tree, and these cute little oven mitts and pot holders that are Valentine's Day themed are what gave me the inspiration for this gift set. So I grabbed that and some other red colored baking supplies from the Dollar Tree as well. The McCormick's are all red, so it goes perfectly for Valentine's Day. They also have red solid towels you can grab, and we're going to put this whole gift set together and make it super cute for anybody that you love that loves to bake. So I also have a free printable for you, which I'll have linked down in the description box below. So head down there, click that link, head on over, download that, and then print it out. I did print it out on white cardstock, which is a little bit thicker, so it's a little bit more rigid and holds the color a little bit better. You're gonna cut it out, punch a hole in the top, add some ribbon, and then add your to and from on there, and then you can add that to your gift basket. So I've hit on all the big gift ideas for Valentine's Day. We're talking cards, chocolate, flowers, but what about balloons? Let me show you a really sweet idea using Dollar Tree helium balloons. I love that Dollar Tree has such a great, fun variety of balloons, and they are so well stocked for Valentine's Day. So I grabbed some heart balloons, but pick out your favorites that goes with whoever you're going to be doing this for, and pair them with some of these heart chalkboard gift tags. You can get them in the craft section. Grab out some double-sided tape and print off some photos. Now, that lean machine actually doubles as a photo printer too, so you can put 4x6 photo paper in there, and you can also use that to print your photos. So it is a dual machine, which I absolutely love. Again, I'll have that machine linked down below for you. We are just going to take our photos that we've printed and double-sided tape them onto our little hearts, and then you can also use some of those hearts to write some sweet little love notes onto. And then what we're gonna do is take all those helium balloons and tie them onto those heart tags, which luckily, that's why I suggested these specifically, because they already have a hole in them. So you just put the ribbon of the balloons through the hole, tie a little bow on there, and then they're not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna act as a little weight for the balloons too. And then you just take all of those balloons and you put them in a place that's gonna surprise your loved one. So a bedroom, which is what I'm gonna show you here, but you could do it in a living room, you could do it in someone's office, you could do it in the kitchen. I mean, sky's the limit, even in somebody's car. How fun would that be to surprise somebody when they come out to their car? So just a really cute, sweet, simple, and very, very affordable gift idea for Valentine's Day too. So the heart on this metal frame at Dollar Tree, of course, made me think of Valentine's Day. So we're gonna make this super special. My son had written me this sweet little I love you message. So I scanned it and I printed it out on my vinyl machine with some red vinyl. I'm gonna stick that onto the side there. But if you don't have a vinyl machine and you just wanna write a personalized message, use paint pens and write a message on there. Or if you do end up getting that lean sticker maker machine, which I'll have linked down below for you, you can also take a picture of someone's handwriting, turn it into a sticker, and then stick it right onto the side here. That would be so fun to do. I just love stickers so much. There's just so many things you can do with them. So I'm always thinking about that. But you can go ahead and then just print out a picture of your loved one, maybe you and your loved one. This is me and my son. I'm gonna stick that into the side there and give this to him for Valentine's Day. You can even put a magnet on the back of this metal frame, or it does have a little hook on the back you could hang it up with. But what a cute and easy little gift idea that only cost $1.25. This video was so fun to make. I love to give gifts. It's kind of like one of my love languages, so making them extra special is just right up my alley. And I love these flowers, and I love this sweet card that I'm gonna give to my hubby for Valentine's Day. Don't sleep on this machine. I will have the lean PixCut S1 link down below for you. Check it out. It literally sets up and is printing your stickers in less than 20 minutes. It is so incredibly easy. The easiest crafting machine I've ever worked with. I absolutely love it. Highly recommend it. Check it out. Also, if you could take a second, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new. I hope everyone has a lovely Valentine's Day. Big hugs from me to you. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Have a very creative day.